Hey everybody, and welcome to Lex's World. Today we learn how to quickly germinate cannabis seeds with relatively simple, inexpensive equipment. I'm going to be showing you the method that involves pre-soaking seeds in water as opposed to direct planting, simply because that's what I prefer. You will notice that throughout the process, some factors that are always important are warm temperature of at least 25 to 32 Celsius, high humidity, and total darkness for the seeds. Especially once the taproot comes out, the seeds are extra sensitive to light, but even prior to that, they prefer darkness to go through their germination process. I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of stuff in a well-lit setting, but generally I do not recommend you do this. That's just for your guys' benefit. So first, what are some of the items you're going to need? Well, the first thing is a germination mat. These fellows are really useful to getting the temperature up to where it needs to be and improving your germination rate. I'll link in the video description to where you can find these guys. The other thing you need is a couple plates, a cup, a smaller cup, tweezers for handling seeds later, and paper towel gets used down the road as well. So the first step is really simple. It's the pre-soak. We have some water here. It's not pH corrected, but it has been sitting on the germination mat a while just to get it up to temperature. We've got our cannabis seeds, and all we do is we place them all inside the water. We make sure they get all in there. Come on. That little fellow's stuck on there. There we go. Now they're all in the water. And we're going to put the cup over top. Now they're in darkness, they're in water, and they're soaking. And we're going to leave them like this for about 18 to 20 hours, and then we're going to move on to the next step. A common mistake at this stage is soaking them too long, like for 24 hours or longer. Then there's a chance that they drown and they're no longer useful and they're not going to germinate. Okay everybody, it is now 18 hours later, and all I did was I put a little bit of water into this plate, and I laid the paper towel down into it, and now the paper towel is getting nice and wet. So all we're going to do is we're going to take out the seeds. They've all sunk to the bottom, and we're going to put them along the side of the plate. Not right into where the standing water is, but just a little bit higher than that. They're all kind of stuck there. There we go. Try to handle them with the tweezers going forward. And they all sunk to the bottom of the water. That's a good sign. So now they're all laying here. And we take the paper towel and we fold it over to keep them nice and moist. And then you almost fully cover it with the paper plate. I like to leave a little gap here to keep the oxygen going. And now the seeds are going to stay in there like that for roughly, for some of them they should pop in about 24 hours. For others it's going to take 48 to 72 hours. And as they pop, we're going to be checking on them, and once the tap roots pop out of them are at least, half a centimeter long, we're going to be planting them. The biggest mistake people make at this phase of germination is they let this paper towel go dry, so make sure that doesn't happen. Top off the water if you need to. Check on it, once every 12 hours until you kind of get the hang of it. Alright everybody, it's roughly been 24 hours now, so let's take a look at what's going on inside this plate. Once again, do not do this where you expose the seeds to light, but we are just doing this for demonstration purposes. And look at that! Pretty much all of the seeds have already popped, and these guys right here are all a good length where you can actually plant them. And what I'll typically do is I'll put them inside a rock wool cube like this, and then put the rock wool cube in soil. And the last note I want to point out to you guys is do not plant these seeds deep. They're about 4 millimeters long, and you should plant them about double as deep as they are long. So only plant them about 8 millimeters down. There you go, guys. Otherwise, I'll also link to rock wool cubes in the description for you guys if you need them. Be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time on Lex's World.